The equation of the line describes the relationship between x and y coordinates of the points on the line. The equation of a line describes the relationship between the x and y coordinates of the points on the line. That's nice to remember. I think I'll say it one more time. The equation of a line fills this very special purpose. Its purpose is to describe the relationship between the x and y coordinates of the points that are on a line. Okay, plot the points 3, -1, 3, 2, and 3, 4. And you can see I've done that here down below. So I've got the 3, and then this is the, I'll just highlight these and it'll disappear. Here's the 3, -1, here's the 3, 2, and here's the 3, 4. So those are those points they asked me to plot. And then it says, and draw a line that passes through them. I did that. State the coordinates of two more points that are on that line, then answer this question. What will be true of the coordinates of any other point on this line? Now write an equation that says exactly the same thing. Don't worry if it seems very simple. If it accurately describes all the points and lines, it is correct. And sure enough, when I go through and I do this, I don't care what points I pick. If I pick this point, you know, at that point, for example, x is 3 and y is -4. At this point, x is 3 and y is 1. At this point, x is 3 and y is 3. So in every single instance, x is 3. And that's the equation of this line, right? So I wrote it right here. X will be 3 for I think I meant to say any point, not for and, but x will be 3 for any point that's on that line. So that's the equation. And yeah, it seems simple, but it's what it is. By the way, anytime we have a vertical line like that, we're going to have to write the equation of the line in that form. It's the one time that we can't write an equation as y equals form, but it's simple enough to remember, right? It's what is x? X is always 3. So a vertical line, x is 3. Let's see. Number B, or part B, says plot the points 5, -1, 1, -1, and -3, -1. What is the equation of the line that goes through these points? So you can see I did that in orange right here, and those are the points they said. One of them was at 5. This is the point 5, -1, and this is the point 5. I'm sorry, 1, -1, and this is the point -3, -1. And the equation of that line is y is r -1. The slope is 0. It's a completely horizontal line, so my rise over run is 0. So it has a slope. It clearly has a slope, but it just has a slope that equals 0. And the y-intercept is at -1. And was that it for this question? No, C. It says choose any 3 points on the y-axis. Choose any 3 points on the y-axis. What is the equation of the line that goes through these points? So you can see I picked these 3 that were green, and on those, it's the y-axis, so I've got 0, 4, 0, 1, and 0, 5, and in every single one of those cases, you can see x is 0, so the equation of that line is x equals 0. Again, it's a vertical line, and the x values are always 0.